Good morning, class. We have already completed Geography Chapter 1. Now, today we are going to begin Economics Chapter 1 Development. So, the first question we have that what is development? Generally, development means improvement in the quality of life along with an increase in income. We can also define the development as development being a multi-aspect phenomena of utmost significance to all economies. It is particularly necessary for the underdeveloped countries so that they can solve the problems associated with poverty, unemployment, backwardness, and low standard of living. I think you will understand well. If not, then in Hindi. डेवलपमेंट का अर्थ होता है जीवन मूल्यों में सुधार along with an increase in income. मीन्स आय में वृद्धि के साथ साथ जीवन मूल्यों में सुधार. दूसरे शब्दों में डेवलपमेंट को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि यह एक मल्टी एस्पेक्ट फिनोमिना है जिसका बहुत ही गहरा प्रभाव महत्व टू ऑल इकोनॉमी सभी प्रकार की आर्थिक गतिविधियों पर पड़ता है. व्यक्तिगत रूप से यह आवश्यक है सभी अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ के लिए जिससे वह अपनी समस्याओं जैसे पॉवर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बैकवर्डनेस एंड लो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग से मुक्त हो सके. Thereafter, what development promises different people and different goals. Different persons can have different perceptions about development. अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग विचार होते हैं डेवलपमेंट को लेकर के. What may be development for one may be destruction for degradation for the other. कोई एक फिनोमिना किसी एक व्यक्ति के लिए डेवलपमेंट होता है तो दूसरे व्यक्ति के लिए वो विनाश का कारण होता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स दैट अ गर्ल में एक्सपेक्ट एज मच फ्रीडम एज हर ब्रदर possess and that he should help her in the household chores, but her brother may not want this. In this way, both of them have different aspirations. Second one is that if the girl is allowed to have her will, then this would mean development for her, but not for her brother. Income and other goals. People desire for regular work, better wages, and decent price of their crops or other products that they produce so that they are able to earn enough money to fulfill their desires. People also seek equal treatment, freedom, security, respect, and no discrimination. Before accepting job offers from distant places, apart from high salaries, people also look for facilities for the family, disciplined working atmosphere, and regular opportunity to learn because quality of life depends upon non-material factors. Hence, for development, people look at a mix of all these goals. And in the sense of income, the last point is, in case of women, if they are engaged if they are engaged in any job, their dignity and image in the eyes of society and family increase. But it doesn't mean it but it doesn't mean it is not so if they are not working. All that matters is the safety and acceptance of the woman working outside. Thank you. The next part of this chapter we will give you on the next working day, and the topic will be national development.